Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's first ever SUV, and it's been a long time coming. Exterior. The Purosangue's exterior is sleek and stylish, with a long, low profile and a sloping roof line. The front end is dominated by a large, aggressive grille, and the rear end features a distinctive taillight design. The Purosangue is available in a variety of colors, including Rosso Casa, Grigio Silverstone, and Blue Tour de France. Interior. The Purosangue's interior is luxurious and spacious, with plenty of room for 4 adults. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the materials are top-notch. The Purosangue comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 16.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The infotainment system features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a variety of other features. Performance. The Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 715 horsepower and 529 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The Purosangue can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and has a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Driving experience. The Purosangue is a joy to drive. It's agile and responsive, with plenty of power on tap. The ride is comfortable, even on rough roads. Verdict. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is a stunning SUV that offers a combination of performance, luxury, and style. It's sure to be a hit with buyers who are looking for a high-performance SUV that can do it all. The Purosangue is not cheap, with a starting price of $400,000. However, for those who can afford it, it's a truly special vehicle. Thanks for watching.